When most people hear the titles of quantity surveyor, they just imagine that someone who crunching number, managing budget, and doing the bills of quantity. They have the misconception that the QS is just a human calculator, but it's further from the truth. So, welcome to today's video. My name is Angela. Today, we are going to explore beyond the math to uncover the invisible skills that make a truly successful quantity surveyor. First invisible skill is the negotiation and communication skill. So as a quantity surveyor, you definitely won't work in the isolation. You need to work together with the contractor and supplier and also the client. You need to either prepare the final account and also prepare a formal contract letter with them. So a well communication skill is important to make sure a successful project outcome. Next is the problem solving and also the attention to detail. So a small error can cause a huge financial loss in the project. As a quantity surveyor, you need to discover the discrepancy and also the risk before it becomes a cost overrun. The quantity surveyor need to pay attention, especially in the valuation and also the estimating stage, to make sure that the finance is always viable. Next is time management and organization skill. The construction is a fast pace, so as a quantity surveyor, you rarely do only one job. For example, when you are doing a measurement and you often were called to attend a site meeting. So it does request you to have a well time management skill and also the organization skill in order to complete this task well. Third invisible skill is the data and technology driven mindset. As a quantity surveyor, even though now we're just using the Excel to do the cost estimation, but our industry is moving forward to using more advanced tools such as the Golden Cubicles and also the 5D Bin. So it does help to manage the cost effectively, as it can directly precise the quantity from the 3D models, and it also prevent to happening like the human error, and also make the cost becomes more accurate. So it is a very important invisible skill for a quantity surveyor to have, so that they can success in the future. Finally, it's come down to the human skill. So we have the teamwork, leadership, and also the technique. As a quantity surveyor, you as a link with the architect, engineering, and also the client. You need to lead them to be always on track. Most importantly, as you are managing the finance, it is important to have the integrity of non-negotiable. Always doing the right thing is how we have a true trust with our client. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. We will deliver the knowledge of choosing your playground, career pathway, and more.